This TFA Graflex lightsaber is equipped with RICE. RICE stands for Real-Time Internal Configuration Editor.
You know, there's like an ice blue like I couldn't even find, and now I know what to do to make it. And then flash out clash, you can adjust that too. And then flicker. You can see what a heavier flicker does. You can dig it deeper. There it is, digging deeper. You can pick up the speed, pulse, and you can dig the depth of the pulse. That is awesome. You can adjust your gait and motions, everything right here. And then you just set to default. Isn't that awesome? There's rice. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Adjusting all that on the computer. So the Empire Strikes Back saber and the Force Awakens saber both have rice capabilities. I'm going to include a quick stick with rice on it for the computer. Now look, it's finicky. You know, but once I've got it working here, I mean, it's working good. Isn't that insane? You're sitting here adjusting the color set on the saber. And then, you know, I'll also link the videos you got to watch. But the bottom line is, you've got rice. Look at that. You want a red blade? Slide over here to red. You know, there's your red. Pure red. And then you want to go to orange, you can go to orange. And you want to slide over here to green, you got green. You want like lime green. There you go, you got lime green. You want light blue. Crazy light blue. Crazy light blue, almost white. There you go. And you can go into deeper shades of blue. You can manually adjust the slider to be what you want it to be. So there's your pure blue on this saber. And then you want pink. You can have pink. You can have dark pink. That is awesome. Isn't that awesome? Rice. Now look, it took a lot of innovation to put this rice port in here. And the one you're going to receive is going to be way better than this. This is Micro JST, and I made it look just like Goth 3D's chassis. and then had to repaint the whole thing. But it's a Micro JST right in there. I also had to modify the bottom of the chassis to hold it. So you're going to receive a Micro JST. Now this is a little bit jerry-rigged how I'm making this work right now. But you're going to get a Micro JST to a USB cord, and basically you're going to plug this into the Saber. Now on this Micro JST, this channel goes down when you plug it in. And you got to be careful or you'll make those USB tabs, the connector tabs, push into the Saber. So I'm going to hot glue them so they don't do that anymore. But the bottom line is, here we go. Rice. The Force Awakens lightsaber. Bada bing, there she is. Let's go for all the color changes while we're here. Green, gold, lighter shaded gold, gold again, really light purple or white, purple, you can see the shine through eye there, still a purple, or brighter purple, pure red with a green flash on clash, gold or yellow. There we are, back at the pure royal blue with a white flash on clash. Next font,